Hey YouTube, MC Rockett coming at you here from my garage, and I wanted to show you real quick. I got that flasher relay installed from TST Industries on my bike. If you hadn't seen it before, the lights were, after I replaced the tail light and these turn signal lights here, everything would flash really fast. Not a big problem, just it wasn't the normal 85 cycles per minute that one is used to seeing on these bikes. But I got that flasher relay from TST Industries installed to replace the OEM one from Kawasaki, and now, as you can see, it's flashing at a good rate, and you can see the reflection of the light over there from the floor on the front flashers. Everything is blinking at the right rate. So in a previous video I had mentioned that the flasher relay was somewhere under the tank here, and I was incorrect. I was basing that off of another Kawasaki installation video. On my bike, it's actually under the seat, under the battery, so it really only took me like a few minutes to install. Wasn't that bad. But right now I'm getting ready to go to the laundromat to help my wife do laundry because our washing machine is broken. It's been down for almost a month now. A little ridiculous. We have a home warranty that covers it, and they are just dragging their butts in getting us the right part to fix it. So we're pretty much left to do our laundry at the laundromat, which is unfortunate because that costs a lot of money when you have a family of 11. Yes, that's right, I have 9 kids that I know of. No, I'm just kidding. I have 9 kids. I've only been married to one woman. So here we go. So I know I promised you guys a video on the Power Commander, how to do some fine-tuning, and that video is forthcoming. However, I just haven't had a chance to sit down in my garage, hook up a laptop to my bike, and go at it. So hopefully we got a long weekend coming up. I'll see if I can knock that out. It's really an interesting process, or at least I find it interesting, that I can actually tune what my Power Commander does with my injectors and throttle position sensor and everything to get everything dialed in the way it needs to be. Hopefully I'll be able to dial things in the way they need to be. Oh, and by the way, if you saw my last video, you saw I was having some problems with my front brakes. They were getting kind of spongy. As you can see now, they are nice and stiff the way they always should have been. So I bled the front brake system again. On this particular bike, when you bleed the front brakes, you want to start at the front right, which I did at the front right, and there's a little bit of air in the line, not anything to be concerned about. I mean, the ultimate goal is to have no air in the line. But then I did the left brake, the left front brake. It had also just a little bit of air in the line, but not anything that would have caused as big an issue as what I was seeing. So then I bled the master cylinder here, and that had a lot of air, a lot of moisture. Not sure how that got in there. Looks like I need to add a little bit more fluid to my reservoir. I thought I had it topped off last night. But yeah, there was a lot of air and moisture when I bled the master cylinder. So after doing that, immediately the brake was stiff again, the way it should be. So we're good now. Tesla. See a lot of Teslas here in southern Utah. So I imagine I've never driven a Tesla, never even been inside a Tesla. But you remember back in the day, the Sega Genesis, anytime you'd load up a game, you'd hear Sega. So I imagine that every time you get in and Tesla and turn it on, it goes Tesla. I've yet to prove that theory. I would love to have a Tesla though. Especially right now with rising gas prices. And here we are at the laundromat, the happiest place on earth. Because everybody here is just so ecstatic to be here. And there's my car that my wife drove here. I guess I'm going to be parking over here on the side. So Heather, what are you doing right now?
Oh, I'm figuring out how much I just spent on laundry. It's about $60.
Yeah. Anyway, check this out.
That's just to wash.
What's that?
That's just washing our laundry. That's not drying it, that's just washing.
Yeah, so we still have a working dryer at home. We're just getting it washed here. But check this out. Go out here to our car. Look at all of this laundry. And we've still got more coming out of a couple of washers in there that we need to somehow cram in here. I mean, we even have stuff in the front seat. Maybe, well, there's a space right there. Maybe we can fit something into there. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, just wall to frickin' wall of laundry.
But it's clean.
It's clean, it's wet, but it's clean. We just gotta get it home to dry it. There's only one place that doesn't occupy laundry, and that is where Heather will be sitting. So leaving the laundromat now. That, my friends, is only a week and a half of laundry for a family of 11. Pretty freaking insane. What's even more insane is now I gotta find a way to get out of here. Is that? Huh? I have no idea what he said. Oh, I think I can get out this way. I can get out this way. Alright guys, this is the end. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please be sure and do so. And remember, even when you have 11 kids, or 9 kids, and a lot of laundry to do, life is still better on 2 wheels. So ride safe.